Hello class, today's lecture is on plate tectonics. Our objectives for today are going to explore the meaning of plate tectonics, and we will be distinguishing the different layers of the earth. Here are your vocabulary for the week. I would like for you to go through your dictionaries and enter these vocabulary definitions into your journal. So we have converging, crust, diverging, inner core, mantle, outer core, plate tectonics, and transform. So the Earth is divided into three main subdivisions. We have the crust, which is the outer layer. We have the mantle, which is the middle layer. And then we have the core, which is the innermost portion of the Earth. With the crust, there are two different crusts. We have the continental crust and the oceanic crust. In the continental crust, it's the layer of igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks, and it forms the continents. The oceanic crust is the thin part of the Earth's crust that underlies the ocean basins, and it is geologically young compared with the continental crust and consists of basaltic rock overlain by sediments. Next, we have the mantle. So the mantle is underlying the crust, and it's the second layer. This is the largest portion of the Earth, and like the crust, it is also composed of silicate minerals. The plates are composed of the crust and the outermost part of the mantle. So in these two layers, they are often called the lithosphere because they are both composed of solid rock. The underlying, which is partially molten part of the mantle on which the plates slide, it is called the asthenosphere. Lastly, we have the core. It is the innermost portion of the Earth. It is composed of metallic elements, primarily iron and nickel. The core is subdivided into two parts. The outer core is the liquid metal, and the inner core is the solid. So for tomorrow's agenda, I would like for you to go over the other vocabulary words that we did not go over, including the different transform, convergent, and divergent plate movements. Your objectives for tomorrow would be exploring the plate movements and observing the effects caused by the plate movements. We will be using sand, clay, and wax paper, and boxes tomorrow for our lab. See you tomorrow.